friends and family, it's Wendy with The Wendy Moore, and I'm here with my January unboxing video of my loyalty reward orders through Young Living. So let's get started right away because I've got quite a bit to show you today. So first up, Young Living's Nature Red. I absolutely adore this product. I can't go without it a single day. I received 4 of the 750 ml bottles. And as I've shown you in the past, look at all that rich sediment. That's where all the nutrients are living, right there. And when we shake it and combine it, we get the benefits of this super antioxidant superfood. So love that. And as I said, it comes with 4. I'm not going to get them all out. They all look the same. But the kit that I get is the Loyalty Rewards Order Kit. It's only available through Loyalty Reward. And you get 4 bottles, plus you get 30 individual sachet packets. These are 2-ounce packets each, so you're getting a total of 60 ounces of Nature Red, if my math is correct. So they're fantastic for travel. That's how we use them most often. But our grandkids also love to come over, and they love to have it in their water and have it as a special drink. So in addition to those, I also got the Super C vitamins. This was a free gift with purchase. And I also received as a free gift the Thieves Chest Rub. We love the Thieves Chest Rub. I'm not sure why that's on there or what it even is. So the Thieves Chest Rub, think of all those times as a child that your mom rubbed your chest to give you some extra relief when you might have felt under the weather, and all those wonderful vapors that came up and just helped to open those airways. Well, this is very similar, only it's with none of the garbage that's in that. That other product that our mom used had petroleum in it, and who wants to be rubbing petroleum on their kid's chest or your chest? So this is a safe alternative. It smells fantastic and it really works. Let's see, and then also for free, our Young Living Vitality Drops. This one is grapefruit. It's an electrolyte, goes in our water and helps to hydrate us and keep us energized. And grapefruit is also known for its benefits for weight loss, so I love this one in my water. And then also free, no, this one was a purchase, Aroma Seas. I tend to get some leg, and particularly in my feet, cramping. So I love that I can put this on, and in just a few minutes, I'm feeling right as rain again. And then this one is a peppermint. This was a free oil with my purchases that month, and this month I should say. And also Lavender Vitality was a purchased oil that I was running out of, and I never like to be without lavender. And we put lavender in a lot of different things, including some of our baked goods. Shortbread with lavender in it is so good. If you haven't tried it, give it a try in your baked goods. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. And that's it for that box. Second order, my husband and I each get one every month. And oh, I didn't share. I also ordered the Inner Beauty Collagen with my order. The Inner Beauty Collagen is going to help support strong hair, nails, and our complexion, or our skin. So hair, nails, and skin. That's a marine collagen product, and that's where it targets. Let's see, I think I got the rest of those. Okay, so now on to my husband's order. I already had to break into it because we ran out, but our master formula is our multi-complex or multi-spectrum vitamin, and it's another product we love for travel. So you get a total of 4 pills in here. 3 are in pill form. One is a liquid capsule, which contains our essential oils, which gives it the ability to absorb more quickly into your system, and it's more beneficial to you than if you just took a vitamin over the counter that did not have essential oils. So we love this, and it's so easy to travel with, just 1 packet a day. Also, this one is our longevity capsules. Longevity kind of says it all. It's going to help us to sustain that healthy lifestyle that we all are looking for. And for free in this order was another of the Vitality Drops for grapefruit flavor. So this is our January order. Went through it a little fast, but a lot of it is all stuff that you've all seen in the past. And so thank you for joining me, and I'll look forward to seeing you in February.